I just got this electric portable water filter by BKLES for my review, and I'm excited to try it out. I've seen it online. I've seen what it's supposed to be doing. It's pretty cool, and we're just going to unbox it. We're going to see what it all is about, and yeah, love the packaging so far. Ooh, nice little pouch. Really nice little pouch with a carabiner at the top there, and a mesh where you could probably put all the accessories that this thing comes with, because I see a little box here. You've got accessories in this box. I like the all black. I think that's really cool. It's a really nice nice looking device so far. Okay, so this is basically a device that you'll be able to connect, or once it's all set up, basically, you're going to be able to get any source of water and purify it. There is a pump, so you'll be able to filter out. In my case, I brought some gross tap water, and I say gross tap water because we live in an area where the tap water is not potable or potent to drink. So I wouldn't be drinking this water right out of the faucet, but I probably definitely will do it with this device. So it's got a USB-A to USB-C connector. So let's talk about the actual device now. Let's open it up, see what it looks like. Oh yeah, look at that. You've got a power button, a light. Ooh, look at that. I just pressed on the light. There's a little light at the end here. This here will be you've got a little cap here. So this is where I would put the straw. And this is the filter, essentially. And you've got, and then you've got another little straw out here. Once it's all filtered, the water is going through this device, basically, and you'll be able to drink out of it. This is so well done. Okay, so basically, this is your intake, and this is your outtake. So I would actually plug this in right here, the black one right there, and I could put this into my source water. So the really cool thing about this is that if it's clean water, and I say clean water as in no particles, you could do so right then and there, and then the water would flow in and go through the carbon filter that's in here, and then out of this hose right here, just like that, out of this hose, and then I could put this in my mouth directly if I wanted to, or into a water bottle, for example. So that's how it would work. Now, if the and this is the important thing, if the water has particles, if you're maybe it's a lake, maybe it's a pond, something like that, this is where this comes in. And I wasn't sure at first what this was, but now I get it, because it's got a little intake. What you would do is you would put this on, and now you've got a pre-filter. So all those extra bigger particles would not go through the cotton, because there's a little cotton pocket here. So the cotton will basically take care of the bigger particles. That water, unfiltered yet, but at least no particles, that water without particles would make its way through the filter, and the carbon filter and the rest of the filtration system will purify it then. So let's, so because it is faucet water, I don't need this pre-filter. I'm just going to put this in just like that. And there we go. And then I haven't pushed power yet, because as soon as I push power, the pump's going to start, and it's going to take within 5 seconds, and the water is going to come out of here. So let's make sure that this works. Let's go. This is really fast, actually. I'm super surprised. I'm going to go straight to the source. It's hard to drink right out of it because it's so fast. I'm surprised. The pump is super strong. It works incredibly well. It doesn't have any of that taste that I know my my faucet water has. So I made a little bit of a mess here, but that's okay. What I do like is that it also doesn't taste like it's been ionized or carbonized or whatever you want to call it. You know, when that filter really that filter taste. But it feels like it's clean. It tastes like it's a clean water. Definitely not what's in there. I do love the fact that you do have that pre-filter for those bigger composites. Yeah, this thing is so cool. Love the fact that it's also extremely easy to, let me just make sure that I don't make a mess here. Just like that. There you go. Wow, it's incredible how fast it pumps and how hard it pumps. But this little pump, and this is what I was going to say, it's so impressive how well it does the work and how small it is. Now, they do have those little caps that I can put back. So I'm going to put the cap back on here and the cap back on there. And then I can just charge it whenever I'm ready. But this is a great tool if you're camping or if you're in an area like us. We're in a hurricane kind of belt in the Caribbean. And whenever we have hurricanes, we do lose power and we do lose fresh water, proper water. And it's hard to sometimes, have all these bottles of water and things like that and water sources all over the place. It's really hard to get fresh water. This would be a fantastic tool that's easy to use, easy to charge, very, very convenient. And I love the fact that it comes with that little pouch for, obviously, camping, hiking. This is a great little thing. Look at that, this small pump. And as you can see, pumps really fast, a ton of water, and purifies it really quickly. I think this is great.